The tiny, fragrant cumin may already figure in your cooking experiments, whether it's Indian curries, Mexican black bean soups or chili, or Arabic meat barbecues. Cumin is a superfood that features prominently in traditional alternative remedies for a range of illnesses. Iron. Iron is a crucial mineral that you need for your body's growth and development. It helps make hemoglobin, the protein in your red blood cells which helps in the transport of oxygen to the cells and carbon dioxide to the lungs. Just 1 teaspoon of this spice gives you 1.39 milligrams of iron, which is 17.3% of the daily recommended amount for an adult man and 7.7% of the amount recommended for women. Digestion. Cumin helps improve digestion by increasing bile acid. It also has a carminative effect, cutting out bloating and flatulence. Chew on some cumin seeds if a meal has settled like lead in your tummy. You can also boil a teaspoon of cumin seeds in a cup of water, let it sit overnight, and drink it in the morning to enhance digestion. Irritable bowel syndrome. Irritable bowel syndrome affects your large intestine and causes issues like bloating, abdominal cramping, constipation, or diarrhea. One study found that patients who took 20 drops of cumin essential oil daily saw a significant decrease in symptoms like bloating, abdominal pain, incomplete defecation, and the urgent need for a bowel movement. Lowers blood sugar. If you're struggling to control your blood sugar, cumin may be able to lend a hand, and cumin may lower blood sugar by stimulating beta cells, cells in your pancreas that release, store, and produce insulin, to increase insulin secretion. Weight. One group was given 3 grams of cumin powder with yogurt at 2 meals every day for 3 months, while the control group had yogurt without cumin. It was found that cumin powder was effective at reducing BMI, weight, fat mass, and waist circumference significantly. Cancer. Studies have found that cumin may have a protective effect against certain kinds of cancer such as colon cancer and liver cancer. This beneficial effect is thought to be due to cumin's potent antioxidant properties as well as its ability to enhance the liver's detoxification enzymes.